Welcome to the wonders of our solar system. In this tour, I will take you through some of the most incredible features that you can find on each planet and some of their moons. From towering volcanoes to vast oceans, and from methane lakes to retrograde orbits, our solar system is full of fascinating wonders that will leave you amazed. So, let's start our journey of discovery through the wonders of our solar system. Mercury. The Caloris Basin. This is one of the largest impact craters in the solar system, measuring over 1,550 kilometers in diameter. It was created by an asteroid impact over 4 billion years ago and is home to a range of unique features, including a series of radial troughs and extensive lava flows. Venus. The atmosphere. While Venus is often considered Earth's sister planet, its atmosphere is unlike anything we see on Earth. The thick layer of sulfuric acid clouds creates a greenhouse effect that keeps temperatures on the surface at over 460 degrees Celsius. Venus also experiences incredibly strong winds that can reach speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour. Earth. The oceans. Our planet is unique in the solar system due to the presence of vast oceans covering over 70% of its surface. These oceans are home to an incredibly diverse array of life, including thousands of species of fish, whales, and other marine creatures. Mars. Olympus Mons. This is the largest volcano in the solar system, standing over 21 kilometers tall and covering an area roughly the size of the state of Arizona. While it is currently dormant, it is thought to have been active for billions of years. Jupiter. The Great Red Spot. This is a massive storm on Jupiter's surface that has been raging for over 300 years. It is so large that it could easily swallow the entire Earth, and its winds can reach speeds of up to 680 kilometers per hour. Saturn. The rings. Saturn's rings are one of the most iconic features of the solar system. They are made up of billions of individual particles of ice and rock, and their precise origins are still a subject of scientific debate. Uranus. The tilt. Unlike the other planets in the solar system, Uranus is tilted on its side, with its north pole facing towards the Sun. This unusual orientation is thought to be due to a massive impact early in the planet's history. Neptune. The Great Dark Spot. Similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, Neptune also has a massive storm on its surface known as the Great Dark Spot. It is thought to be a giant hurricane, with winds reaching speeds of over 2,400 kilometers per hour. Pluto. Charon. While Pluto is no longer considered a planet, its largest moon, Charon, is still a fascinating object in the solar system. It is roughly half the size of Pluto and is thought to have been created from debris left over after a collision with another object. Ceres. The Bright Spot. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt and was recently visited by NASA's Dawn spacecraft. One of the most intriguing features on its surface are a series of bright spots that are thought to be made up of salt deposits. Io. Volcanoes. Io is one of the 4 largest moons of Jupiter and is the most geologically active object in the solar system. It is home to hundreds of active volcanoes that spew out lava and sulfur dioxide, creating a constantly changing landscape. Europa. Ocean. Europa is another moon of Jupiter and is believed to have a vast ocean beneath its icy surface. This has led to speculation that it could potentially harbor life, and there are plans to send a dedicated mission to study it in the coming years. Ganymede. Magnetic field. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system and is the only moon to have its own magnetic field. This is thought to be due to the interaction between the moon's iron core and Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. Titan. Methane lakes. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn and is the only object in the solar system other than Earth to have large bodies of liquid on its surface. However, on Titan, these lakes are not made up of water but instead of methane and ethane. Enceladus. Geysers. Enceladus is another moon of Saturn and is home to a series of geysers that shoot out water and ice particles into space. These geysers are thought to be caused by the moon's internal heating, which is driven by the tidal forces of Saturn. Miranda. The Verona Rupes. Miranda is one of the smallest moons of Uranus but is home to one of the most spectacular features in the solar system, the Verona Rupes. This is a giant fault line that is over 20 kilometers high, making it the tallest cliff in the solar system. Triton. Retrograde orbit Triton is the largest moon of Neptune and is the only large moon in the solar system to have a retrograde orbit, meaning that it orbits in the opposite direction to its planet's rotation. This suggests that Triton was originally a Kuiper belt object that was captured by Neptune's gravity. Eris. Dwarf planet Eris is a dwarf planet that is larger than Pluto and was the reason why Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Eris is located in the Kuiper belt, a region of the solar system beyond the orbit of Neptune that is home to many other icy objects. Haumea. Ellipsoid-shaped Haumea is another dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt and is notable for its unusual shape. It is stretched out into an ellipsoid due to its rapid rotation, which completes in just 4 hours. Makemake. Lack of atmosphere. Makemake is the third largest dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt and is notable for its lack of atmosphere. This makes it one of the coldest objects in the solar system, with temperatures dropping to around -240 degrees Celsius on its surface.
Are you passionate about space videos? Do you want to learn more and stay up to date with the latest trends and insights in this field? Then you should definitely subscribe to my channel and support me.